Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a recipe that Pranesh saw on the Instagram, which is 2-ingredient barfi. This is our cheating method of making barfi using ice cream and milk powder. We are going to give this a try for the first time and show you all how it's going to work as we go on. But if you want to watch the full method of making barfi, you can tune in into Hazel's recipes. That's on my channel. So today we are going to use a 1.8 liter vanilla ice cream, and we make sure it's eggless. We are going to use 900 ml of it, which is half this tub. And we're also going to use 425 gram of full fat milk powder. And these are my normal 2 ingredients, but we are adding on half a teaspoon of elaichi powder, and then to decorate we have got some crushed colored almonds. So now we are going to get started. I've got my stove on medium low. So before my pot get heated up, I want to put in my ice cream, which is 900 ml, and I'm going to continue stirring the ice cream till it melts. My ice cream is melted, and I'm going to slowly add in my milk powder, and I will continue stirring on the low heat. I will continue in this method for 15 minutes. It has been 15 minutes and I've been stirring this all along. So now I'm ready to add in my elaichi powder. And give this a nice stir. Must always try to avoid getting caught on the bottom. Otherwise you have to put your heat on very low and continue stirring. This is done. We're going to switch our stove off and get our baking tray ready. Here I've got a small baking tray which I used my baking paper and spray and cook to it. And I'm going to use my mixture while it's still hot, so I'll be able to spread the barfi mixture evenly. I will start to flatten my barfi mixture into one even layer. I've got my barfi nice and flat, and here's a trick using a tumbler and rolling it on top so it gives a smooth finish. I'm just going to start decorating with my almonds on top. And thereafter, I'm going to cling wrap and leave it in the fridge for about an hour to cool down. Here's my barfi that I cling wrapped, and I'm going to pop it into the fridge for 1 hour. And thereafter, we will show you after 1 hour. Here's my barfi that was sitting in the fridge for an hour. So now I am ready to cut and serve. Here you go, my barfi made with a cheating recipe of ice cream and milk powder. This was our good first attempt that we made, and the recipe worked out very well. In fact, Pranesh has already tasted, but if I'm going to make this again, I will give it a traditional taste by adding a tablespoon of ghee when melting of the ice cream, and I'll also add a quarter cup of icing sugar to give it a little bit of sweetness. In this method, it sits like barfi and also feels like barfi. You can also use different flavors of ice cream like strawberry, nuts, chocolate, and this was the vanilla ice cream, and it will give out different flavors of barfi. I will break one and show you all. So firmly it is done, and this is the inside of it. So I will definitely recommend this recipe with a little bit of changes that will give us the traditional taste. With Diwali coming up, I hope you give this a try if you are short of time. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.